Good morning to one and all. Today our topic is relationship between mean, median, mode. So last day we have discussed about in the previous classes what is the mean, median, mode, and how we calculated the mean, median, mode. So, for example, whatever the data set is given, so the data set how the distribution is there. So we need to find out. So what how the distribution is there. So the distribution of the any data, so which can shows oftenly the values in the data set occurs. So how the distribution is there. So whether the distribution is symmetrical or asymmetrical. So if the data is symmetrical, how it is, and so when it is possible. So we will discuss. So here, so a distribution is said to be asymmetrical when the values of mean value, median value, mode value are equal. When the mean value, median value, mode value are equal, that is a symmetrical distribution of the data set. So that is there an equal number of values on the both sides of the mean, which means that values occur at a regular frequencies. So for example, if you take into account in the graphical representation, see here the normal distribution. For example, when you take into account is the normal distribution curve or normal distribution shape. So it is a bell shape also, it is called bell shaped curve. For example, on the graph, we can easily find out that here mid value, median value, mode values are equal. In that case only, that's why it is called normal distribution or bell shaped distribution or symmetrical distribution. For example, if you take into account that the graph on the graph drawn on such a data is known as normal curve, as we know that bell shaped curve or bell curve also. So when you take into account, I will show you also. See here the normal distribution curve like this. So this is called normal distribution. Here at a particular point here, the mean value is equal to median and mode. Okay. So mean, median, mode. So both values are equal. That is why the graph is shows normal distribution. So it is called symmetrical distribution also. Symmetrical distribution or normal distribution or bell-shaped distribution. For example, here, if the data is not, if the data of the values of mean, median, mode are not equal, that is called asymmetrical distribution. How it is? For example, see here. Somewhat it's this is, see here the mode value, median value and mode value are not equal It is called a skewed distribution. So in the skewed distribution we have that positive skew distribution and negative skew distribution. How it is, we can come to know that. See, so if the data is if the values of mean, mode, median are equal, that is called symmetrical distribution. For example, so when the values of mean, median, mode are not equal, then the distribution is said to be asymmetrical or skewed distribution. Skewed distribution. Skewed distribution. Skewed distribution. Skew distribution. So a skew distribution can be either positively or negatively. See, this is called positive skew distribution. This is called negative skew distribution. So what I told, this is called positive skew distribution and negative skew distribution like this. like this. This is a positive skewed distribution. This is a negative skewed distribution. So in the positive skewed distribution, see, mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode. Okay, mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode. Here, not equal, not equal. That is in the case that is called positive distribution, skewed distribution. That is because it is called skewed distribution. It can be either positive, it can be negative. So the empirical studies have proved that the distribution is moderately skewed. A very important relationship exists between mean, median, mode. So when you do empirically, so there is some moderate skew distribution that can be exist between that mean, median, mode. The distance between mean and the median is about 1/3 distance. So the distance between the mean and median is around 1/3 distance between that these two. And for example, here if you take into account empirically, so the empirical relationship examined by that Carl Pearson, so he has given some formulas also to know that what is the relationship between that mean, median, mode. So for example, here see the mean minus median is equal to 1/3. As I told you that 1/3 distance between that median mode. So that 1/3 by mean minus mode. For example, if you take into account here, see mode is equal to mean minus 3 into mean minus median. For example, sometimes if they will give that question that in that case, if they will give the data of median mode, find out the median. For example, see here, it is given that a moderately skewed distribution, median is 10 and mean is 12. Median is 10, mean is 12. Using these values, find out the approximate value of mode. So here simple, find out the mode. Find out the mode. They have given the median value and mean value, but we need to find out the mode. What is the formula here? See, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Because the mode value is not given, median is given and mean is given. Okay. So or else you can follow this also. Mode is equal to mean minus 3 into mean minus median. So here see, let us take a mode to be x. That is a unknown factor, unknown value. So we have given the value median is 10, mean is 12. So now using the relationship between the mean and mode, so this formula is adapted. See, mean is equal, they have given 12. Okay, 12 and minus mode, we don't know what is that's why we can put x is equal to is equal. We can put 3. What is the mean value is 12 minus median is 10. Then 12 minus x is equal to see x is equal to 3. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Okay. Then here, if you write like this also no problem. If you write like this also no problem. So 12 minus x is equal to 3 into 2. So here 12 minus x is equal to 6. So here then 12 minus 6. If you take this values here, it can be goes right side x also no problem, or minus x is equal to 12 minus 6 also no problem. Okay, then x, if you take here 6 minus x, that is called you will get x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 6, because x value is goes to right side, or else you will get x value is equal to plus 6 also, plus 6. Here x is equal, sorry, here minus 6. If you take this one, sorry, just a minute, left right and right left right. See here x is equal to 6, 12 minus 6, 6 is equal to x, that is x is equal to 6. So if you take this one, so minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6. So automatically minus value in the automatically will consider as a minus 6. Minus 6. So mode is equal to 6. Mode is equal to 6. So this kind of thing we can find out easily. For example, if you have this kind of formula also, for example, mode is equal to 3 median, 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median, 2 mean. Same data, for example, if mean is equal to 12, median is equal to 10. Find out mode. So mode formula is mode is equal to 3 median, 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. Then mode is equal to 3 into median is how much? 3 into 10 minus 2 into 12. Is equal to 3 into 10, 30 minus 2 into 12, 24. Okay. Then is equal to 30 minus 24, 6. So here also we can find like this also we can find out the mode. Next example, I think there's some see. So another example could be that find out the mean when you are given that data is median 20.6 and mode is 26. So here in order to find out that values, so we can go with this formula. There is a mean, mode is equal to 3, mean and median. So find out the mean. See here, here mean values we don't know, that is x, that's why x minus 26 is a mode is equal to 3 into x is the mean value minus 20.6 is a median value. So as it is, you can take x minus 26 is equal to 3 into x, 3x, and that's why you can put 20 into 3, 20 into 3, 20.6 into 3, 61.8. Okay, then as it is, you can take into account here x minus 3x, 2x, then 26 minus 61.8, you will get 35.8. So when you take into account this here x is equal to 30 point minus 35.8 by 2. So when you cancel it to 35.8 by 2 is equal to, you will get 17.9. That x is equal to 17, that is called mean value is 17.9. 17.9, that is called mean value. Is it clear? Yeah. So like this we can find out. So for example, if you have any doubt and the mean is over median, we can find out the median also. For example, if they will be the values of mode and mean. For example, find out the median when you are given the data mode is 20 and mean is 26, for example. Okay, here you can go with that formula. Median is equal to mode plus 2 mean, mode plus 2 mean is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So here in order to find out the median, so they are given the data mode value. What is the mode here? Mode is 20 plus 2 into mean value. What is the mean value? Is 26. 26. So here 20 plus 2 into 26, how much? 52. 52. Then that median is 72. So here median is 72. Like this we can find out, and here we need to understand that what is the relationship between the mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. Is it clear now? So these are the formulas also we can find out. In order to find out the median also, so we can go with this formula mode 2/3 mean mode. Sometimes the median is equal to 1/3 mode plus 2 mean also we can go. So these are the some formulas to calculate or in order to understand easily the relationship between the mean, median, mode. Okay.